How to turn friends into followers in Facebook Lite. Welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back again with a quick and easy tutorial video on how you can turn your friends into followers in Facebook Lite. For that, open your Facebook Lite application and head straight to your profile picture by clicking on your profile icon. Once you are in your profile, look for those three dots next to the Edit Profile option. Click on it, and behold, a menu of options will unfold. What we are aiming for is the Professional mode. Click on Turn on Professional mode, then hit the Turn on button. Here, it's like flipping a switch to unlock a whole new level. Click on Done and return back, then give a quick scroll down to refresh. Witness the transformation. Your friends are now followers. The subtle shift is visible on your profile page where you will now see both followers and followings. And there you have it, a seamless way to turn your casual friends into dedicated followers. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.